Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make a yummy broccoli and cauliflower salad. First, we want to assemble our vegetables, and I have roughly a cup and a half of chopped up cauliflower. There are some options here. You can use raw vegetables, or you can use frozen vegetables that you have thawed. All you need to do is put your frozen vegetables in a colander, run them under some running water, thaw them out quickly, let them drain well, and then they're good to go. This is fresh cauliflower that I just blanched. I'm opting to cook the vegetables just slightly so I get them at a crisp tender and the colors are brighter that way. And it's just my preference. You can use raw vegetables, you can use blanched, or you can use frozen and thawed. Now I have roughly a cup and a half of broccoli that was cut up into small pieces, and this is the same. I bought this fresh and I blanched it. And again, the same thing. You can use raw, you can use thawed out frozen, or you can use blanched. Now I have a cup of shredded carrot, and the carrot is raw. I did not blanch the carrot in any way. Again, you can still use frozen and thawed out if you want to. Or you could blanch that as well if you want to. Now I have 2 small clementine oranges that I have sectioned just to give it a little bit of fruitiness in there. And I'm not going to do this today, but you could also add maybe about 1/4 of a cup of slivered almonds, and that would be really good to this as well. So now I'm just going to give this a quick toss, and you see how colorful this is. Really pretty and delicious when we're done with it, and very healthful as well. All right, now we need to make some dressing to go in this. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm actually going to measure this out for you. And I have 2 tablespoons of orange juice. And now I want 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And now we want 2 teaspoons of honey. If you want it sweeter, hey, you can add more honey than that. No problem, this is your dressing. 1 teaspoon of prepared Dijon style mustard. And the recipe is below too, so you don't have to write all this down. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. I used onion powder because somebody might not want to get a big spoonful of fresh chopped onion. My husband is one of those. He does not want fresh onion, even though I love it. Okay, we've got 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, same difference there, and 1/2 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt, and you can adjust the salt to your taste, your liking. You can leave it out if you prefer to do that. And now I just want to stir this up really well. Now that the salad dressing is ready, we're going to just drizzle this over the salad and give it a good toss, and it's ready to go. You can put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for a while, let everything blend together, or you could serve it right away. I think the more this sits within reason, the better it gets. So if you chill this overnight, it would be really good, or even for like 3-4 hours, it would be good. Allow those vegetables to soak up some of the dressing. And you see there's not a huge amount of dressing in here. It smells good already. There it is in a plate, and it is just as pretty as it can be. And you see that was not all of the salad there. It makes enough for 4 to 6 servings, just depending upon how big your servings are. But it is delicious, and it's got just that little bit of tanginess from the vinegar and from the mustard, and blended in with that fruitiness from the honey and the oranges and the orange juice. It just is a nice balance. The recipe is below in the description box. This will be an easy one to increase if you want to blow it up for a crowd, or decrease it if you want to do that as well. Do give this a try sometime and let me know what you think in the comment section below. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. Take care now.